Hello and welcome to day 2 of our acne workshop. Let's recap. Yesterday, we listed our motives, and your assignment was to calculate your water intake and also check the ingredients on the products that you're currently using for your face. I hope you completed your assignment. In step 1, we spoke of the importance of ingredients. I highly recommend using a regimen with salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide. Now, what I would like you to know is that using these acne-fighting ingredients isn't just enough. You have to make sure that you're using it in the right products. For example, foundation with acne medication is not the best choice. Here's why. When you apply your foundation, your moisturizer needs to be applied before your foundation, and you're applying the acne treatment on top of a layer of moisturizer. So it's always best to use your acne medication as closest to the skin as possible. Here are 2 ingredients that you should avoid: gelatin and hydrolyzed collagen. Gelatin and hydrolyzed collagen has animal ingredients. Gelatin comes from the collagen in cow or pig bones, hooves, and connective tissues. To make gelatin, manufacturers grind up those various parts and pre-treat them with other ingredients. When you're taking care of your face, it's always safe to go with plant-based ingredients. In step 2, we focused on water and we went over the importance of it. Remember, in order to look your best on the outside, you must take care of yourself from the inside. Now let's go to our ebook and read along with me steps 3 and steps 4. Step 3, having proper skin hygiene. Being consistent with proper skin hygiene is key. The only way you can achieve success is consistency. You must properly cleanse your face every morning, no matter how you feel or how late you might be running. This washes off excess oil from the night before, and you then start your day off on a clean slate. You must remember to cleanse your face every night, regardless of how tired you may be. We come in contact with endless bacteria during the day, and not cleansing them off is very unhealthy. Our body temperature naturally increases while we sleep. Therefore, any oil or bacteria that isn't washed off heats up and clogs your pores while we rest. No one likes waking up to a fresh new batch of brand new forming acne. While cleansing is very important, it isn't effective without your acne medication and an acne-safe moisturizer. Cleanser alone will dry out your face, which will cause more acne. The lack of hydration is explained in step 2. In other words, forgetting to moisturize is like shampooing your hair and leaving out the conditioner. You are stripping away oils with the cleanser, but you're replacing it with hydration from the moisturizer, and that's a must. Step 4. Ladies, makeup is not an acne cemetery. I love makeup. I've been wearing foundation since my early teens. My original purpose of foundation was to bury my flaws. Unfortunately, foundation isn't an acne cemetery. Burying your flaws with makeup doesn't make it go away, it only makes it worse. The process goes like this. You get a pimple. You cover it with comedogenic makeup, which clogs your pores and causes more pimples. You then cover it up with more makeup, which, well, you get the point. Your main focus should be on skincare. Your makeup looks only as good as the skin that's under it. Purchase only non-comedogenic makeup. That's makeup that doesn't clog pores. And make sure you wash it all off before going to bed, as stated in step 3. Today's homework assignment is to keep track of your water intake. And also, be sure to cleanse your skin before going to sleep tonight and cleanse it again first thing tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, I'm going to show you 2 more bad habits that you might be doing right now that can cause the main cause of your acne. So be sure to come back tomorrow for day 3. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.